We're in the jungles of dark Africa. We're searching for them tree monkeys. You just gotta be careful because they're very dangerous. I'm looking to see if I can see one now. Let's see if I can see a tree monkey. They're very dangerous, everybody. You gotta be careful. These tree monkeys. There's one now. Shh. Be quiet. He might see you. Oh, this is gonna make me famous. This is going on National Geographic's. Oh, tree monkey. Look. Okay, there he is. He's seen us. Be careful, everybody. Careful. It is a tree monkey. First and only. Be very careful. They are highly contagious. They spit at you.
Like a monkey.
See, even this one speaks. Very careful. They're throwing things at me. See how they are? Let's get out of here before he comes down.